A woman sacrifices her body and still she is a normal human being. But a man who wash his own dirty dishes, he is a hero. Hey guys, my name is Roshali. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to talk about that why patriarchy is so rooted in our culture. Let's get into the video. See, like I said, when a woman gives birth, she sacrifices her whole body. She sacrifices her life, her career, everything. But still, it is so normalized, and people say that every woman does that. It's not that big deal. But when a man do even a small bare minimum, he is a hero. He is a king. He is the bestest boy or a man ever, according to, especially, what is the worst part, especially for women's. Like, if you ask me, I've never heard any man saying that you are a woman and you can't do that, especially in Indian households, and you are a man, you have to do that. All I heard all of these type of sentences that push patriarchy comes from a woman who have faced everything, and she want to you know push the new generation also into this. These women are so much brainwashed that they can't even see that what happened to us, that was worse, and we as a women still pushing our new generation to do the same. We are also telling the new generation girl or a woman to tolerate what we tolerate. This is I feel this is a kind of jealousy. This is they can't see a woman growing. They want a woman to feel, to tolerate what they felt or what they tolerated in their past, especially in Indian households, if you know what I'm talking about. I've never heard men telling a woman that you have to do that, you have to do that, and you have to wear clothes in a certain way, and you have to look in a certain way. Like in Indian households, all of these, aunties and elder women's, they are the women's who sit and judge all the young girls, all the young generation, and they pass comments on them, and judge them, and they'll be like, we were never like that, why is she doing this? We didn't do that, why is she doing that? We face so much problems, look at her, she is living the way she wants to. Time has so changed. They will pass these type of comments, that if you are a soft hearted person, you will feel so guilty. You will feel so guilty. These are the women who try to take control on everything. They can't see a woman succeed because they never get succeed in their life. They were not able to fulfill their dreams, so they also don't want you to succeed and fulfill your dreams. They feel that if they stand up in the kitchen, washes all the dishes and the clothes and cook food for everyone, they also expect the same for you. And if you didn't do that, they will tell you that you are a bad woman and it's a women's job, and if you are not doing this, you are evil women, because this is what you are meant for, and if you are not doing this, what are you doing? They will feel you so guilty. They will make you feel so much guilty. They should be the women who should encourage the new generation, encourage the new girls to achieve their dreams, to fulfill their dreams, to do whatever they want to do. They should be see themselves in the new generation, and they should feel like if we didn't do that because of some patriarchy rules, these girls should not face what we faced in our life. And it will be their win. But they don't want that because they are kind of jealous. We should treat everyone with equal rights, with equal respect. A man is a human being, a woman is a human being. A man can do whatever he wants to do, a woman can do whatever she wants to do. And if a woman wants to stay at home, good for her, she can. If she don't want to, she she no one can force her. You can't make a woman feel guilty if she don't want to stay at home and take care of everyone. What if she have her own dreams and she want to achieve her dreams? And all of the girls out there who are challenging this patriarchal system, God bless them. Like literally, these are the girls, they are the women who are telling the world that they are not accepting this shit. They can't take this shit anymore. They are a human being. They want to treated themselves like a human being, and they also have their dreams and they can fulfill their dreams, and they are also human being. They should also get equal rights. And if you are a man, if you are a woman, if you are a girl, if you are a boy, no matter who you are, if you see someone who wants to pursue their dreams but they are not capable enough because of the society pressure, because of the family pressure, you should encourage those people, because they are living this life for themselves. God has given them this life for themselves, not to fit in a certain criteria or in a society. So if you can encourage those people, you should do that, because it will give you sort of happiness, so much happiness, when you see someone else achieving their dreams and what they were dreaming from a very long time. And if you see someone happy and they are so happy in their life and they are achieving their dreams, this is a very and they are creating a very beautiful life for them. What a happy situation that is, right? And if you see like a woman or a whoever in a situation where they don't want to be and they are pressured so much to be there, it will make you feel sad. It will make you feel sad if you are a good person. So if you can encourage people to do whatever they want to do it for your good, for their good. And if someone want to do something, let them do that. Don't stop anyone, don't pressure anyone, don't encourage, don't like pressure them to do according to this society and the patriarchy rules. Let people do whatever they want to do, because this is the real happiness, and everyone deserve to be happy. And yeah guys, that's it for today. Thank you for watching my video. Like, comment, share, subscribe to my channel. I will come back tomorrow with something new, with something more interesting. Till then, take care. Bye bye. Love you. Bye. Bye.